Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a holiday gift guide for all artists, beginner or intermediate. So let's get on with the video. First, you should always invest in a ruler, a good ruler, which is bendy and great for drawing lines and doing houses, and it's really helpful. Or if you want to do a mandala, these are pretty great. And this is a pencil from Artist Loft. This is a pretty good brand. I would say it's probably on the cheaper side, but it's as good as any other pencil out there. There's this brand called Rally or something. These are pretty great. I don't know if you can see it. This is pretty old, but it's a really good solid pencil. I would either get Artist Loft or the Daily Rally, which is, you get it at Walmart, which is a good brand. And also you can also have a classic Ticonderoga something pencil. See, all the letters are like gone, but it's a pretty good pencil. I would say this is a basic pencil, but it's pretty good. So here we have a King Art, which is a pretty good, affordable dual brush tip, which I think is pretty good. It comes in a variety of colors, too many to count, but it's pretty great. And for like small stuff, I would say use the Twin Tone by Tomboy. But the small one for the King Art is not that great. It's not that small. But so what I forgot to talk about were these dual brush from Tomboy. They did last a long time. I'll show you. And this is the thick tip. This is what it did, and this is the thinner tip, which is pretty great, but it doesn't do, this anymore. It's just sort of running out of ink. But that did last me a long time. I don't know, maybe the King Art will last me longer. I don't know, I'll have to see the duration of how long these actually last. And I think these Sharpies are great. This is a fine tip. It doesn't smell like those alcohol markers, but it does a fine line. These are pretty great. See, for outlining like that, I think it did a good job. And last but not least, the pads, which you need. This is from Canson, which is graduate thing, and it has 20 pages. This I got it from Walmart for like $5 or $6. It's pretty good quality. It's thick. It's kind of like cardstock, which I'm pretty sure they just call it mixed media pad, but mixed media is great for drawing, painting, coloring. I think every media out there. It won't bleed through. It'll just be the same the whole time. And last but not least, this Strathmore drawing pad, which is on the bit on the costly side, but it's totally worth it, and the pages are thick and they look great. You just flip it, and you can also like it has like thing that you can just take it off, so you can just take it off when you don't like it. And there's tons and tons of stuff. I did use paint for this one, but I think it did a good job with paint too. Basically, you can use anything for sketchbooks, I think, as long as the paper is thick and well made. That's all that matters. And this is a bit on the high quality side, but it lasts a long time. So yeah, that's everything. And we have the sketchbook, which is in Tombow, and this I used this on the twin tone. So this is pretty great. And classic eraser. I don't know where this is from, but it's pretty great. My hair is messy and this view doesn't look great. But anyways, I also found a good eraser. It's called the Pentel eraser. I'll put a picture here. It's about $1.64. It is on sale on the Walmart website. So I mentioned Walmart so much that they should totally sponsor me. So Walmart, if you want to sponsor me, then just leave it in the comments. So anyways, another good thing that I forgot to mention is this tape that I got it from Amazon. I'm mentioning Amazon for the first time. Or you can also get the washi tape, that works well, but I prefer this one. It's pretty great. I used it a couple of times, but I really need to get into painting. So this is your sign to paint or to get this. This is definitely good, high quality. And I would say it works as well as washi tape. I do want to try washi tape, even though it's like on the more expensive side. I think washi tapes are really expensive, but they're good for stationery. And next are some sketchbook sketch pads. This one is from Strathmore. It's pretty great. See this nice design here, and the paper is like pretty like thick and durable. They also have like this thing where we'll show you how to do this sunflower and this tree that was in the front. This is a good brand, but it's more expensive, but I think it's affordable. I don't know where I got this sketchbook from, but I'm pretty sure I got it from Walmart, which everything is mostly from Walmart. They're more affordable. And this is pretty great. I have a lot of drawings here that are unfinished, but I think this was with maybe the twin tone, probably. But see these bright colors, they're pretty good for small things. And I also have a small one that you can put in your purse, in your bag. It's pretty great. So I did this thing with the sketch pencil, which is the same brand. And I did look at this. It is like $5, I think, on Walmart. It's pretty affordable. And this is my sticker here. So, and also go shop in Etsy shop for some holiday stuff. It's called Zavru. We have all kinds of shirts, sweatshirts, anything that you need, it'll be there. Sorry for the self-promo. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun recommending you some stuff that you could buy for the holiday season if you're an artist. And make sure to comment below if you like videos like this. I haven't done anything like this before, so yeah. Subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!